How to validate a URL in Python? Malformed or not? I have URL from the user and I have to reply with the fetched HTML. How can I check for the URL to be malformed or not? For example,
Django URL validation regex, source.
Use the validators package. Install it from pip with pip install validators.
Actually, I think this is the best way. If you set verify_exists to true, it will actually verify that the URL exists, otherwise it will just check if it's formed correctly. Edit. Yeah, this question is a duplicate of this. How can I check if a URL exists with Django's validators?
A true or false version, based on it DMFLL answer. Gives.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.